this thing on. All right, working on sheathing today. It's hot too. I picked a great day to do sheathing on the roof. So yeah, I got 3 rows up so far. So now I got to cut like an 18-inch piece for the top. I'm going to leave a gap at the top for the ridge vent. So I got to cut an 8-foot by about 18 inches and then a 4-foot by 18. Get those up there, then we'll start down the other side. So here we go. All right, I got the front side done here. Turned out pretty nice. And I just started on the back. I got 1 big sheet down and tacked on. So we're gonna go up there, and I got a little piece in place. I'm gonna get it nailed and show you what we got going on. Set you down for a second. All right, a little scary climbing up there. The sun's hot today. All right, I got 1 8-foot sheet down, got a 4-foot going on. I got 2 8-footers stacked up here. So all right, you get the idea. So I'm gonna go in and eat real quick and then get out here and get this finished up. Maybe I can finish it today. If not, I got this tarp up here rolled up. I'll just throw the tarp back over it. We'll see you in a bit. All right, I am done with the sheathing and the zip tape. I got all the seams taped up. The only thing I have left to do as far as flashing goes is around the bottom here. Right there on that bottom edge, I've got to use some stuff called liquid flash, just like in a caulking tube, but it's like a dark gray color made by Zip. And I gotta do that all the way around the bottom just to keep water, bugs, anything like that from getting up in there. I got all the way around the roof line. I've got it taped so all the edges of my sheathing are covered. Turned out pretty nice. I got this big 9-inch wide tape in the corners, one piece. Stuff works really well, and then you roll it on with a roller. Got my windows temporarily covered up, or my window openings, just to keep it dry. So I would say we're officially dried in. I would still have to flash the window sills right before I put the windows in. I'll take care of that so it's not exposed. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's see if I can get the roof line here. It was hot up on that roof today. Alright, so I'm going to focus my attention on the inside. I still have one wall to frame up for our closet. I finally got the pocket door frame. I'll do a video on that next go around. So, thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.